How are things looking the morning after?
Well, Stephen and Marissa, it's definitely, you can see how it all landed, and this is really what people are trying to clean up today. Thankfully, it's that soft snow still, and so you're able to plow it easier. You're able to get the snow blower out and get that taken care of. There's still a travel ban in Rhode Island right now, despite the fact that there are people out on the roads. The governor's still saying you need to stay in if you can, because snow plows are still trying to go through and get some of that stubborn snow off the ground. Now, this was a sidewalk that was covered up yesterday with a good foot or maybe 2 feet of snow, and looks like they took some time to plow it this morning. But this has just been incredible for this area. I spoke with a lineman yesterday about what they have to go through when they're trying to restore power to people. Here's what he had to say.
Keeping your eyes on who's ever up there, making sure you're being situationally aware and just looking out for each other.
I mean, with a storm like this, you kind of have to just take every opportunity you can get, and there's some really nice hills up on the east side here I've had my eyes on for a while, and with the snow like this, you kind of got to just go out and do it.
And you never thought the roads of Providence would be a good place, right?
No, I've always thought it. I've just been waiting for the snow.
And as you can see there, some people decided to have fun yesterday as well. Now, at its worst, we were seeing more than 42,000 people who didn't have power. Now that number's down to just about 19,000 people. So crews have been working in the early morning hours to get that figured out. We saw them from this hotel we're staying at. Yesterday, there was a bunch of power trucks out behind me. Now they're gone. They're likely out there working. But they had to blow the snow off their trucks. They had to get everything cleaned up so they can go out there and try to navigate in these snowy conditions to even just bring power back to folks who don't have it. And of course, at any hotel here in Providence, you're going to find people who didn't have power last night. I spoke with one lady who says she didn't have power for 15 hours. She saw the lights come back on last night as she was driving to the hotel, but she thought, well, the power might go back off, so let's just go to the hotel. I've already got the reservation. And that's all this is about. You know, be proactive. Don't do anything to put yourself in a bad situation, and you'll, for the most part, be safe. Stephen and Marissa?
It's so crazy to just look at that live shot and to see how much snow had to be shoveled off on the sides. Crazy, right?
Core memories. It kind of reminds me, Asher, at least when I was growing up, when you're a kid and everything's at eye level, and you're just in this hole of snow. I don't even know how to say it. Regardless, Asher, good stuff coming out of Providence, Rhode Island, as everybody continues to work through all of that snow. Fox News multimedia reporter Asher Redd, thank you.